Hi all, welcome to Vinod's tutorial. Today we will learn about multiplexers. Before that, let's see what is a multiplexer, what is its application. Okay, suppose there is a source A, another source B, another C, D. This can be a person telephone calls, different telephone calls, different subscribers using different subscriber using telephone calls, or it can be different datas, fax, internet, printer, like that. So many devices are connected, and all these want to reach a destination. Okay, so this is source and this is destination, and I have only a single channel. I have only a single cable. Okay, here a single channel is there. The question is, how will I transmit? How will I communicate? Or how will I transfer all this data through the single channel? That is accomplished by a device known as multiplexer. You generally say MUX, multiplexer. So what happens is, all these input data will be input to this device, and this device will have only single output, and many input are there. And this particular device is 4x1 MUX because there are 4 input and 1 output. Remember, a multiplexer always have 1 output and many input. So what happens is, from among these 4 inputs, which input should reach the output, or which input should be communicated to the destination, that is selected by certain input known as select input or select lines. Since there are 4 input, I need 2 select lines. We will discuss it later. Okay, so this is the basic concept of a multiplexer. A multiplexer always work as a data selector. A multiplexer always work as a data selector. Now let us see the other side. Suppose I want to distribute this data. To different destination. What shall I do? What shall I do is, I have, for example, I have to reach X, Y, Z, W, whatever it be. Okay, suppose I have here, what happens, single input, many outputs, and this device work as the opposite of multiplexing. That is, a single input is distributed to many output, and this is known as demultiplexer. Demultiplexer. Remember, this is 1/4 demultiplexer because this is 1 input, 4 output. This is 4/1 MUX, 4 input, 1 output. A demultiplexer will always have single input and it will have many output. Okay, just like how select lines are used in multiplexer, here also we need 2 select lines because select input. Okay, so our select lines to which output we should this input should reach, that is selected by the select input. Okay, so multiplexer is a data selector and demultiplexer is a data distributor. Okay, so what we learned now is multiplexer and demultiplexer. Okay, so this is the basic concept of multiplexer and demultiplexer. A multiplexer is a data selector and demultiplexer is a data distributor. Now let us see regarding select lines. If there are 4 select input lines, then we will have 2 select input. If there are 2 select input, I can have 2n input lines. if there are if n is equal to 2, what is, and 2 is equal to, we can have 4 input lines. If there are 3 select lines, what happens? If there are 3 select lines, I can have 3 input lines. Similarly, in demultiplexer, if I have 2 input lines, I can have 4 output lines. And if I have 3 input lines, I can have 8 output lines. And if I have only one input line, I can have 2 output lines. Okay, so we will learn regarding this in next session. So this is the basic concept of multiplexer and demultiplexer. This is of that much important, that much application in modern communication or data communication. So learn the basic concept. Learn the next section. Okay.